today I'm gonna make some days maybe, because I wanna do like that other guy that sings chicken jog lava chicken until Steve's commenting with him or something like that. Now I wanna do it with Lankybox. So I'm gonna sing the Milky song until Lankybox comments. Okay, here we go. Day 1. Milky milk, milky milk, milky milky milk. Milky milk, milky milk, milky milky milk. Bye. This was day 1. Guys, please comment. I got Boxy. Look. I got Boxy. Please just comment. Lankybox. Dustin, Aiden, please. I got Boxy. I got little Boxy. He's so cute. Bye.